Hello everyone. This video is a quick introduction to our channel. For those who have recently subscribed or watched my videos lately, you might have these questions. What is this channel all about? Why did I restart this channel? What type of content can be expected here? Who's the target audience for this channel? Right? So let's start with this question first. Why did I restart this channel? Over the last 2 years, I have observed so many people following bad lifestyle patterns. Now, what is lifestyle? In simple terms, lifestyle is how you live your daily life. It could be your habits, your choices, your behaviors, whether it's how you eat, how you work, how you manage your finances, or how you even interact with others, right? It all reflects the lifestyle pattern which you have developed over time in your mind. These patterns determine your happiness, success, as well as your well-being. So, imagine that if you're assigned a task today, for example, folding your clothes, you will complete it the same way as you always have done it, using the knowledge and methods you have developed over time in your mind. Would you change your approach? Not really, unless there is a strong reason to do so. Now, this is because we all have ingrained lifestyle patterns that influence how we approach different aspects of our life. An even simpler example is your own handwriting. Over the years, you have developed a specific writing style, whether you write on a paper or a desk or a wall. Your handwriting remains the same. It doesn't change based on where you write. Similarly, our behaviors and actions are deeply ingrained in our mind as lifestyle patterns, and it remains consistent in different settings, whether at home or school or college or work. Of course, one can pretend to be different in a special occasion, but your lifestyle pattern in your mind remains the same, irrespective of where you are. So this gives the answer for the next question. What is this channel on about? I decided to restart this YouTube channel under the tagline Lifestyle Hack to provide guidance on improving lifestyle in a simple, practical and engaging way. Not through traditional, rigid or boring methods. That's why I use the word hack. It means a trick or shortcut or a smart way to achieve something. We need to understand the fact that our lifestyle patterns don't develop overnight. They are shaped by our family culture, environment, and our past experiences as well. So, we are taught to live in certain ways. But what if those ways are not the best for us? We need to change it, right? So, how can we change it? Before we see how to change it, we need to know what to change in our lifestyle pattern in order to grow, isn't it? So there was one of my trainees who recently asked me, Jasper, which area of my life should I focus on in order to grow? So I personally believe that life revolves around 5 key areas. 1 is mental well-being, 2 is physical health, 3 is career or profession, 4 is social or relationships, and 5 is your finance. We need to focus on growth in all these 5 areas of life. So that gives the answer to the next question. What type of content can we expect in this channel? So all our content will be centered around these 5 categories only. Coming back to the question, how can we change our lifestyle patterns towards growth? In order to understand this, we need to understand how does growth happen generally. Learning something new, like new concepts, new techniques, tricks, or hacks to improve your lifestyle. And number 2 is unlearning something old, like outdated belief system, values, or principles that no longer serve you. For example, if a manager carries a belief system that only experienced candidates can perform well, they might overlook talented freshers. Now, this mindset limits opportunities for growth. So until that manager eliminates that old outdated belief system which he has, he wouldn't be able to train fresh minds and see them performing well. Think of it like upgrading your mobile phone. You get the latest model while discarding the outdated ones, isn't it? So always growth happens in two areas, that is learning and unlearning. So in our channel, to facilitate learning, I will cover various topics within the 5 key areas of life, providing real actionable insights. No fluff, no empty promises. For unlearning, I cannot force you to change your beliefs, values, or principles. However, I can create awareness to help you evaluate whether your current mindset is holding you back from growth or not. The decision to change it is entirely yours. Now, the interesting part is unlearning is the biggest challenge. People often resist change due to the personal opinions and long-held beliefs what they're carrying. However, I encourage you to question it. If you have any difference of opinion, whether in the comments or through email, I will be happy to engage in discussions. Personally, I ignored the unlearning aspect for a very long time in my life, assuming that my beliefs were correct. But at some point, I understood myself. If my belief system is right and I'm making the right choices in my life, why am I not growing in life? That was when I realized I was carrying outdated beliefs that was holding me back. I had to let go of the unnecessary baggage to move forward in life. The trigger point for my change was self-awareness. Yes, I acknowledged that I wasn't on the right path. So my role here is to help you develop that awareness. Whether you choose to act on it or not is entirely up to you. So there comes the final question. Who should follow this channel? If you are happy with your current life and see like you have everything figured out, then this channel may not be for you. No hard feelings. You don't need lifestyle hacks because you feel you have already achieved the best in your life. But if you're hungry for change, eager for growth, and believe there is room to improve, then you are in the right place. Well, my friendly advice would be to stay connected for more content that challenges your existing lifestyle pattern in your mind and helps to create a new path towards growth by learning new hacks. Leave a comment and share your biggest challenge that hinders your growth. So I shall prioritize that topic in my upcoming videos. Also share this video with those you care about so they can be benefited from our channel as well. See you next time. This is Jaswin J signing off. Bye bye.